Hello everyone, are you an e-commerce store owner and you are planning to send WhatsApp notification when someone places an order in your e-commerce store? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be telling you how you can send automatic WhatsApp notifications for your WooCommerce order using WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so here I'll be placing an order in one of my WooCommerce store in front of you, okay? And this is how my store will look like, and you will see that as soon as I will place an order, an instant and automatic WhatsApp message will be arrived on my account, okay? Saying that, hello Sonam, along with my name, thank you for shopping with us. Your order for black denim t-shirt is confirmed. And I have created my store in this video on WooCommerce, but don't worry, this video is also for all Shopify users. So this is my WooCommerce store and this is my WhatsApp account, and I will be placing an order here, and you will see an automatic and instant message will be arrived on my WhatsApp number. So I am placing an order for this black t-shirt. I will click on add to cart. Okay, and proceed to checkout, and it is already filled that Sonam Rai is placing an order. The city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, my number, email address. Click on place order. It is taking a little bit of time. Okay, the checkout has been done. Thank you, your order has been received. And you can see a WhatsApp message has been received on my WhatsApp account. So let's check it. Okay, a message has been arrived. Order confirmed. Hello Sonam, thank you for shopping with us. Your order for dashing black t-shirt is confirmed. So you have seen that how the message has been received successfully on my WhatsApp number as soon as I have placed an order on my WooCommerce store. And don't get confused, this is my previous message, okay, which I have just tested before the video creation, and this is the recent message, okay. So I have sent the WhatsApp message using the official WhatsApp Cloud API, which Facebook has recently launched. Yes, Facebook has recently announced the launch of its own WhatsApp Cloud API, using which any businesses can now start sending the WhatsApp messages directly at a very cost-effective price. So this automation is possible by integrating WhatsApp Cloud API with WooCommerce with the help of an automation software, Pabbly Connect. So I am assuming that you already have an account on WooCommerce. Now we just have to set up an account on WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so our first step is going to be, we will set up an account on WhatsApp Cloud API, and once our account is set up, we will then integrate WooCommerce with WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of an automation tool, Pabbly Connect. So our first step is going to be, we will log in into WhatsApp Cloud API and create an app. So you need to type developers.facebook.com in your browser, okay? Don't worry, I will paste this link in my description box, okay? And you will have to create an account on this website. Once you created an account, you have to click on this My Apps. I have already made an account, okay? So remember that I have told you the very first thing you will have to do is to create an app in your WhatsApp Cloud API, okay? I have already created app in my account, okay? So I will be not creating an app in this video. I have done a separate video that how you can create an app, okay? So you have to click on this create app, okay, and I will add a link in the description of that video that how you can create app in your WhatsApp Cloud API account, okay? So let's cancel it. After creating an app, you will have to generate a permanent token. A dedicated video on how you can generate a permanent token is already uploaded on the channel. I will add the link in the description box and I button as well, okay? So once you create an app and generate a permanent token, the third step will be create template and get approved via Facebook, okay? I will explain this term to you later. Now what we have to do is to go to our Pabbly Connect account. So type Pabbly pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Okay. So you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and all you have to do is to sign in. And I already have an account, so I have directly signed in, but you can also create your free account in just 2 minutes. It is free, absolutely free. Okay. And you will also get 100 free tasks in the free account. So you should definitely try this workflow with me. Okay. So you need to click on this blue button, create workflow, and give a name to your workflow. So I am giving a name, send WhatsApp notifications on every WooCommerce order. Okay. Click on create. Once you will click on create, you will see two windows will be appear. Those who are new to the Pabbly Connect, let me tell you, our automation is going to run on two concepts, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. According to our use case, when an order is placed in WooCommerce, send WhatsApp notification. So this is why first we will choose app as WooCommerce, because we want when this happens. That means when an order is created in WooCommerce. Okay. So that is why my trigger will be new order created. Okay. Now you can see a webhook URL and some set of instructions are visible here. So I will read the instructions and follow them one by one. So the first thing is go to WooCommerce and then settings, and then go to advanced tab, webhooks, and add webhooks. Okay. So this is my WooCommerce account. First, I will click on settings. After clicking on the settings, as per the instruction, I have to go to advanced tab, then webhooks. Okay. So this is my advanced tab, and then click on webhooks. Okay. And after clicking on the webhooks, you will find this webhook option. Okay. So these are the previous webhooks which I have created to make a connection in between Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce. Okay. So we will create a new connection. Okay. So I'll click on add webhook. And here, since I want to capture the data of WooCommerce in Pabbly Connect whenever an order is created, that is why I will give it a name as capture order data. Okay. And I will make the status as active. The topic will be again the order creation, since I want the data on order creation. Delivery URL. So it is the same URL which Pabbly Connect has given us after selecting the WooCommerce and order event. Okay. Sorry, the trigger event. Okay. So I will copy this URL and paste it in this field, the delivery field. Okay. I will keep the secret field as blank and API version as it is, and I will click on save now. Now you can see that my webhook is created. Okay. So with the help of this webhook URL, I have connected my WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. Now in order to test whether my WooCommerce store is connected or not, I will make an order in my WooCommerce store. Okay. And we'll see whether the order data is getting captured in my Pabbly Connect account or not. So I will click on this recapture button. Okay. And here it is clearly written that now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record, so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay. So I'll make an order here again. This time let's order this drone. Okay. So I will click on proceed to checkout. So this time John Smith is placing an order. Okay. I'll keep the company name as Pabbly India area. Okay. The phone number 917049599708. Now did you notice that I have added 91, the country code here? I will tell you this later why I have added 91, not just the 10-digit number. Okay. I'll add email ID Ashirai 824@gmail.com. Okay, and then I'll be placing an order. Again, this is just a test order, just a dummy order. Okay, and okay, it is taking time. Okay, thank you. Your order has been successful. Now I have to check whether the Pabbly Connect has captured the data of this order. Okay. Yes, the response has been received. The order ID here is 55754. Let's cross check. Okay, 55754. Okay. This is the date. This is the amount 1800. Yes, it is the same amount. Okay, now this is the order key. The John Smith is placing an order. Team Pabbly, and these are the details which is captured in Pabbly Connect. That means Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce is now connected. Now I am assuming that you have already set up the WhatsApp Cloud API account, which was the first step or flow. And we have just connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do is to connect a Pabbly Connect account with WhatsApp Cloud API. So let's proceed. So now you have to choose here WhatsApp Cloud API, since we are connecting our Pabbly Connect account with WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so the action event will be send template message. Template message is actually a message that we are going to send to our customer, and WhatsApp always asks you to send a template message first to initiate the conversation with your customer. Okay, now I will click on connect and click on add new connection, and you will see 3 fields are visible: token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. Okay, so from where I will get these details? So I'll have to go to my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and whatever the app I have created, I have to open that app. Initially I have already told you that you need to create an app. Okay, and a dedicated video for app creation is already given in the description box of the video. You can check it. Okay, so what I want is the token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. Okay, so here at the left side I will click on WhatsApp and then click on getting started. Okay, here you will find the token, okay, the phone number ID, and WhatsApp business ID. Again, once you will create an app, you will also get all these 3 details. Okay, also here I would like to mention that you can see it is clearly written temporary access token. So this token will expire in 23 hours. Okay, so when you are going to send the actual messages to your customers, you will need a permanent token. I am using this temporary access token, okay, because I am creating this connection just for video purpose or testing purpose. Okay, how you can create the permanent token? When you will reach to the app section, you need to click here. Okay, and after clicking to that button, from left side click on system users. Okay, and this is how from here you can create your permanent token. Again, a dedicated video on how a permanent token can be generated, the video is given in the description box. You can check it. Okay, so for now I am closing it because I am building this connection with the help of this temporary access token only. Okay, so I need a token, so I will copy this token and paste it here. Okay, now I need phone number ID. So here the phone number ID is given. I will again copy this and paste it here. The third thing is WhatsApp business account ID. Here it is given, the WhatsApp business account ID. I have copied it and pasting it here. Okay, and the instruction for the same are also given here, so do not worry. Now just click on save. You can see the WhatsApp Cloud API is now connected with our Pabbly Connect. Now, as soon as I got connected my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, you can see some fields has emerged out. We will discuss these fields one by one. The very first field is template name. What is this template name? So as I have told you earlier, whenever you want to initiate a conversation with your customer, WhatsApp always ask you to send a template message first. Okay, so that is why for sending message we need to create a template first, and then only we will be able to communicate with our customers. Okay, so how we can create this template? Again, you need to come to the WhatsApp Cloud API account. Okay, and here you will find a link. Click here to create your own message template. Click here. I'll be clicking on this link. Okay, now you can see various templates are already created here. Okay, I'll show you these, and all these templates only visible here in my Pabbly Connect account, because Pabbly Connect is connected with WhatsApp Cloud Account API. All right. Okay, so how you can create a message template? Before that, let me show you one template, how exactly it looks like. Okay, so you can see, hi Roger Benny, on this particular date at 11 you have an appointment scheduled with us for your doubt. We look forward to seeing you 15 minutes in advance at institute. So you can see, hi Roger Benny, in place of this Benny, the body text is actually in terms of variables. Okay, so whatever the values we want to get changed, we will keep it as a variable in form of 1, 2, 3 in between the curly braces. Okay, so this is the template which I have shown you. It's just an example. In case you want to add something in the footer, you can add it here. Okay, this is the already created template, so I cannot actually edit it. Okay, in case you want to add some button, you can add it from here. Okay, I am canceling this. So if you want to create your own template, you can create a message template right from here, from this blue button. Okay, you can select any category. For example, if you want to send any shipping update, you can click here, choose the category. You can give it any random name, let's say shipping message template. All right, and then you can select any language. You can delete or add more languages later. So right now I am adding English or Hindi language. All right, and then you can click on continue, and this is how you can fill all the details and finally click on submit. Once you submit your template, it will be approved by Facebook. Then only you will be able to use it and send messages to your customers. Unless the Facebook is not approving your template, you won't be able to send messages. All right, it will take few hours to approve that template via Facebook. Okay, so don't worry about that. All right, you can actually write the message here. This is how the message will start look like. Okay, and you can add a footer. So this is how you can create your own template. I am canceling this. So I have already created one template earlier and get it approved. You can see the status is approved. The name of my template is order. Okay, the language is English. I have not included header, footer and buttons since these are optional. You can also include if you want. Okay, and this is the body text which you can see from here directly. Let's read it. This is the message I am going to send. Order confirmed. Hello. The name of the customer will appear here. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for the product name will appear here is confirmed. We will deliver your package by, here we will add the delivery date of the product. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping dash team. Okay, so this is my template. So how these variables are going to replace automatically on every WooCommerce order? So this will be done with the help of Pabbly Connect. The template name is order. So I will select this particular template only. It is already selected. Okay, I will keep the language code as it is. Okay, recipient mobile number to whom we have to send the message. So basically the customer's number will be added here, from where you remember that we have captured the WooCommerce order data in our Pabbly Connect already, and this data is already visible here in this drop down section. You can see, and we can automatically map the recipient mobile number from here exactly, and this is called as mapping in Pabbly Connect. So basically we are adding or we are mapping this received data in our WhatsApp Cloud API account from here. Okay, so let's map it. Where is the customer number, the who has placed the order? Here it is. I have mapped it, and you do not have to change this number on every order. Once you have mapped the billing phone, it will be automatically changed on every WooCommerce order you will receive. You do not have to manually change it, and this is the special thing about this mapping, about this automation. Okay, this will be automatically changed. Also, you can read it here. Enter the recipient mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Example like this. Okay, so remember, initially in the video I have mentioned that I am adding the mobile number with country code 91. That is the reason why I have included 91 in while adding the number. The person who was making the order here was me itself, and I was already aware of that 91 thing, the country code thing. But your customer will be absolutely clueless about it, and they will not add this 91 country thing, which is mandatory here. So here I have two suggestions for you. While customizing your checkout page, you should make this country code thing mandatory for your customers. Okay, and the second thing, they may also add the non WhatsApp number here. So you should write here in somewhere in the help text maybe that please add WhatsApp number, so that you can receive the order notifications on your WhatsApp number. Okay, so these were the two suggestions from my side. Okay, let's proceed further. The body field 1. So what exactly these fields? These are exactly the fields, the variables which we have added in our template. Okay, so what is 1 here? 1 is the name. I want that name of the customer should appear. Okay, so in body field 1 I will map the name of the customer, which is going to change automatically. Okay, the billing first name John was the name of the customer. Okay, if we want the full name, we can add the second name also. Okay, so I have mapped the second name also, the surname thing. Body field 2 was, I was expecting the product name. Okay, so again I will add the product name here. So the product name we have actually ordered was the drone camera. Here it is, drone with HD camera. This is my product name. The body field 3 here is the delivery date of the product. So I will have to map the date here. Okay, so how I will get a delivery date after the 5 days of the order placement? So here I will need something like in which I can add 5 days more in this particular date. So how I am going to do that? So you need to come here and click on this plus section. Okay, and Pabbly Connect has this feature via which you can actually add or subtract the days from the current date. Okay, so basically I am modifying the current date, so I'll be clicking on this particular event, modify current date. Okay, and I will click on connect, and here I will select the date format in which you want to convert the current date. So I want this format, that's why I'm selecting this. You can select it as per your own choice. I am going to select here my time zone, which is Asia, Kolkata, since I am from India. And operation, so basically whether I need to add or subtract from the current date. So I need to add. Okay, so I am choosing add here. I have to add days in the current date, not the hours and minutes. So I will keep it as days. And how many days? I want 5 days to be added. So when I click on save and test request, save and send test request, I am expecting the date of after 5 days. So what was the current date? So the date was actually 27th May, and let's see whether the 5 days has been added in it. Yes, you can see we have the date of 6th June, right? Which is the date of 5 days after the current date. So I will map this product delivery date in place of variable number 3 here in the body field 3. Okay, here it is. I will map this particular date which I have received from date time formatter, not from WooCommerce. Okay, this is done. What is body field for? this is actually going to be my company name, which is not going to change every time the order is received. So I am writing it manually, not mapping it from anywhere. Okay, now I will click on save and send test request, and I will see whether the response is received positive or not, or whether I am receiving this particular message on my WhatsApp number or not. Okay, so click on save and send test request, and you can see the response has been received and the notification has also arrived on my WhatsApp number. Let's check the message. Okay, yes, we have successfully received the message, order confirmed. Hello John Smith. Okay, we have actually forgot to give the space in between these two names. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for drone with HD camera is confirmed. We will deliver your package by, here is the order delivery date. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly team. This means our automation is working absolutely perfect, and the connection between WhatsApp and the WooCommerce store is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now this automation is working, and whenever someone places an order, they will get automatic WhatsApp order notifications. Now Pabbly Connect has actually done its job, so we can actually close it because we have already set up that automation in Pabbly Connect, and we can even close these two accounts of WhatsApp Cloud API because now the automation will work, of course, automatically. Okay, so let's test this automation once again. Okay, and assume that a customer is placing an order on your WooCommerce store, and this time I'm ordering this iron press. Okay, add to cart. Now I'm crossing this since I need to buy only this particular product. Click on proceed to checkout, and this time let's say Jesse Matthew is placing an order. Okay, I'll keep all the details as it is. I'll just change the number again with 917869664023. Okay, and now I'm clicking on place order. Thank you, your order has been received, and yes, the notification has arrived. This time Jesse Matthew has placed the order. Okay, so the name you can see has automatically got changed, and this time Jesse Matthew has received the automatic order notification. So this is how you can actually connect your WooCommerce store with your WhatsApp account using Pabbly Connect. And in case you have any query, you can drop your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.